not fun. This sucked. Got a little snow and mud. But going back in the shop. It's a little hard to get this truck in film, so this is probably all you're gonna see until after I get inside. Well, it's in. Wasn't easy. It's very, very rusty. That's what happens when you sit out half a year, but oh well. Ain't that bad. I mean, it'll all clean up. But it's gonna let it dry out. I mean, it's already drying up. Floors are heated. But let it dry out today. I'll come over tomorrow, get the cab situated where it's gotta go. Because right now it's like 8 inches to one side. It damn near slid off. Get that reattached. So I'm gonna start on front shock hoops. And then I gotta cut 1 to 2 inches out of each one of these link bars. Shorten it up because we're about 2 inches too far back. And then I'll get the shock hoops on here. And after that, it's pretty much a complete roller. From there, it'll literally be engine, transmission, transfer case. And I got to make some type of core support mount. And then some remember this one. This is Brandon's Samurai. He's got a whole tin top Samurai body for it that sits down on the top. Just working on some cage shit. Got to rechange all the shock mounts. Took a chunk out of the frame to get them sitting lower, but it's pretty low at full bump. Allen's, which most people remember as the bridge card bogger, it's now got bump stops in it, and this is now sitting at full bump. It'll also go up another, 8 inches or so. This one, the engine's all done. This is the old 496 out of Papa Chow. Engine's all done. The new heads have all redone. It's now a 505. And that's getting put back together and dynoed over at Dowker, I believe. And we're going to try to stuff a dang big block in this Samurai. We got some big old upright headers for it, at least for now. New fuel system, radiator, trans cooler. So everything's all new. Like I said, taking his time on this one a little bit, making it really nice, because when Morgan had it, it was always a very nice, pristine, clean little Mega Samurai. And he kind of wants it to live up to that. But that's a little quick update. We're going to start doing more of these. Get back into filming while I work on this hunk of junk. And same with the Ford. Oh, back here doing shock hoop junk. I actually ain't centered yet. You can see the plumb bob right there, the string from center. We're about 2 inches off. And we're out of threads on the link bars. Means I gotta cut them about 2 inches. Move the axle forward. Actually, probably a little more than 2 inches. That way we're not out of threads. But anyways, I do know where my axle center line is, so I can do my shock hoops off of that. Well, almost got them. That side's looking pretty good. I'll have to take a little more off it. As I get more off this side, it's going to kind of open up on this side a little bit more. But it ain't far off. It'd be nice if these were a full 180 bend, but they weren't. They were more triangle shaped. They were bent for the stock square body frame. Man, I've been at this for a little too long already. I hate grinding. It gets old fast. Well, didn't get crap done, but it's on there at least. Just tacked. This one's ready to be welded on. Well, nothing special, but got the hoop tacked on. This one's on. I just got a custom tube. Do one for both sides. And then bar going across. Shout out to Wild Time Fab, Dave Woods. Hooked me up with, I don't know, close to probably 9 foot of DOM, 8-9 foot of it. Help me finish this up tonight. Oh yeah. This is the part that's hard to show. The constant grinding, measuring, cutting, coming, testing, going back and cutting, testing, back and forth. And then this, grind a little bit, test, grind a little bit, test, until it slips in there and actually fits. Grind too much, you know, for gaps you gotta fill that are harder to weld. So it's easier to, you know, nice tight fitment. That's almost there. Just a little bit more, and I'll probably slip right in. There. Just like that, one side's built. Obviously, it's just tacked in place. You gotta be finished welding, but it's built. Ain't going nowhere now. Tack's look like crap, but who cares as long as it holds. Just gotta sit, that's real bad. You can see the difference. That's a tack when I'm focused and actually trying to tack. This is a tack trying to hold the gun, hold the camera, film, and get the shot. It's not easy to do. I need a tripod and just set a camera up. Now I just gotta duplicate that one over here. And then thinking about running a bar across. That's the plan, is to run one across, but I don't know if I'm gonna wait till this is fully welded or not. I might make it, get them fully welded, and then weld them on, because I don't really want it to cover up any space of where it needs to be welded or make it harder to get to, especially on those tubes. That's what holds the shock in place. So yeah, that needs to be pretty strong. Grind and fit, grind and fit. Oh, it's getting old. And I got a long way to go. Pretty happy with this one. Notching by hand, but gonna have a little to fill down there, but oh well. At least we get half of it, real nice. This side I'm not too happy with, but there's still plenty of room left here to get it fitting at least better than that. Well, that's that. Got it tacked down there, sitting right where it needs to go. This side still looks better. This side, not bad. By the time you get weld in there and clean the welds up, grind them nice and smooth and painted, you won't even ever notice. Well, got my shock hoops and cross support bar all done. Took the time to my adjustable shock hoop, or shock mount, sorry. I put some spacers in there, got it all set up to the right width. Makes it a little easier when you're welding. So keep shit from bending and moving and going all around. Plus, it's easier to hold up as one unit. But got it all cleaned up to sit in there. But I don't think I'm gonna do it just yet because I want it sitting as close as I can up to here. But I think it's gonna get into place the way we're trying to weld. There's no point in tacking that on. I'm gonna let Brandon get to that and weld it first. And then, yeah, once he gets the hoops fully welded, tack that on, let him go to town on that. In the meantime, I set the fuel cell in here. Just want you to see how much room I'd have. It definitely takes up every bit of room. Next for me today will be lower shock mount tabs. I'm gonna at least get that cleaned up and probably get them tacked on. If I can find enough washers to space it out, I'll get them down there and get them tacked on. And then I'll probably cut my, there you can see them. I got some, on the other side of that big piece of pipe, I got some little 3/4 inch black pipe. And take that and cut them to, well, eyelet to eyelet, I will have 38 inches. So we'll make 2 makeshift 38 inch shocks. Well, got one on. Just tacked for now. Got the other side ground down, ready to be welded too, but I don't have enough stuff to make another spacer, or there probably is enough in there, I just can't find it. Other than that, she's pretty much done for today. Cut the tubes, and then I'll probably mess around with a little bit on the front, measure the cab a little bit better. We got it sitting, but kind of doesn't look level in this photo, but it's at least sitting back up on it. It's not slid off anymore, but it's coming together. Definitely looking ugly, but hey, they don't look good till you're done, and then even then, it's just downhill as soon as they come out. Well, fuel cell's gonna sit where it is. I cut those tomorrow, because I ain't gonna want that even in there when this is getting welded. No point having it in the way. Got these guys zip tied on where they're gonna sit. Got that sitting down there in the shock mount, or tab, what do you wanna call that? That's where those will be going in place, holding them up. That is cut to 38 inches, which will be the length of the shock, roughly on weight, ride height, whatever you want to call it. So that'll get the truck sitting right where it needs to go. Coming along. Get it all welded up tomorrow. Hell yeah, coming together. And then I get to get the cab more centered. Like, we got it sitting on there like it's supposed to, but it's not sitting like 100% where it's got to be mounted yet. Do that. I'm gonna set this in there, probably with a transmission. That means I gotta take my motor plate off and plates off. Get this in there. Should be nice. That's the first time this truck's had an engine in it since I've owned it. Almost 7 years, damn. We'll get that in there, and that'll show me where I can do my shock hoops. And I may cut some of the firewall out. I haven't fully decided yet. I'm actually extremely motivated and excited to work on this. I get up, knock out my videos for the day, and then I'm hitting the road at 10 o'clock in the morning and come over here to work on this. It's literally all I want to do. I've been coming over every day, or every other day. Hell yeah. I want to make some noise this year with it. Got to do it last year with the Ford Perkins old truck, but that was a lot of fun. But this is my truck, my dream, my ideas, my building. I'm extremely excited for this. Can't wait. With that said, I can't wait for Brandon to get his done. I'm real excited on this Samurai. This was old Joe's, can't think of his last name at the moment, his truck. And then obviously Morgan's old truck. Alan's got it, just got a new coat of paint on it. It's all gray and black now. No more the blue. This thing's looking actually really good. Surprised at how much I actually like this color. Heck yeah, can't wait. Cannot wait. Well, about 2 more weeks, you should have the engine. And after that, it's just waiting on a set of shocks. Shocks, drive shafts, get the rear axle sitting where it's got to sit, and that'll be done. Brandon's got a lot of work on his, but it's not that far off though either. I got the most. I got a lot. But all right, check back in tomorrow. Hopefully do some welding. See ya.
Dude, I like that.
Going from where to where?
From this corner to fucking here.
That's a lot of tube.
Dude, that's my problem. I get fucking going and I just want to start adding
Like
tubes.
fucking bulldozer.
I just want to start adding tubes everywhere.
Yeah, it's gonna be safe. Plenty safe.
I hope so.
Not bad for bicycle too.
And the crazy part is, you know, realistically, you may never test that out. This is the one thing you really don't ever want to test out technically, but
I've rolled a lot of shit, but you have to roll my mega truck.
oh shit.
The fucking snowmobile in Allegan. It's like they're saying the trails are like.
Mud truck stuff.
I think it's missing a tooth.
There. You'll be forever known as that guy welding on my channel with sunglasses.
No, I'm gonna put a plate over this too.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. Yep. Oh yeah.
sitting right on fucking doors. I'm not a huge fan of that.
I like that more.
What's that?
If I roll it over,
Oh, yeah.
that's trash.
Yeah.
Alan! What the fuck? Alan! Alan! Alan!
That's your boy.
Jesus! Alan! Down with it out there. I roll over, it's done.
Your son's a jackass. After that right there, that's so fucking good. He broke out and rolled that on him.
Yeah, he's missing fucking 4 inches.
How about that?
I don't know that. Then you got airflow.
Are we gonna take the back off again?
I like that better than right up against it, at least. Yeah, that- yeah. Yeah, that'd work. And that's that. Fully welded. That looked good. I mean, we ain't going for total pretty. Brandon's a pretty damn good welder. Better than I could do. Hell yeah. I'm excited. Heck yeah. Now I didn't get that done. Gotta get those mounted in place. Put the other side, I don't know what I did with it. The little part that bolts on actually holds the shock on to the mount. Gotta bolt that on this side. Draw out these two pieces of pipe. Put some bolts through them and raise the truck up. I will do that probably first thing Monday morning. And then we start on the front. I'm gonna get all that going, try to get the front clip off, but yeah, getting somewhere. Excited for that. But we brought this truck in a week ago today. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like if you want to see more of them. Some of you probably didn't even stick around this far, but if you did, if you stuck around to the end, thank you. I think we're gonna do more of them, but yep, we'll see you on the next one.